Alright, so let's get you free prebuilt funnel so you can start building your wildly profitable online business. So you will get web page funnel with terms and policies, so you don't have to waste time on that. And these are mandatory if you want to run business. You will get funnel to generate clients, sales funnels. You can sell things like crazy. You will get a webinar funnel, so you can start selling online courses or high ticket offers. Membership funnel to build your membership area of your online course. Lead magnet funnel to grow your email list. All of this, it took me months to build this, and you will get it just with a click of a button. So how you can get it? So you come to the website mariojuric.com/free funnels. Make sure that you also put HTTPS so you don't get redirected somewhere else. You can also land on this website by clicking the link in the resources attached to this lesson. Below the video there should be a link in the resources, and when you will get on this website, then you will click give me my free funnels, and you will just put your name and email, so I can also send them to you via email so you have access to them at all times. Then you click give me free funnels, and here you are, right? Here are your funnels, but first you have to start a free 14-day ClickFunnels trial, right? So you click that for you to be able to get those funnels. So you first click that, and then you will land on the ClickFunnels website. You will click start free 14-day trial now, and then you will just fill out your name, right? Mario Demo, Mario Yuri Demo, gmail.com. You will create a password, and you will click the button. And yeah, make sure that you choose this cheaper option, which is zero. It's completely for free for 14 days when you're starting out, and then after 14 days it's $97 a month. And you know, guys, in the beginning it may seem like a lot, but once you start making thousands of dollars, it will not seem like that much anymore. And trust me, I've tried WordPress, I've tried other softwares. Things were just breaking down at some point. And another thing is that this is like the leading top software, and if you try to save money on cheaper one, it will not convert as well. Your sales funnel will not convert as well. So in the end, you will end up losing money. So you just get what you pay for. And trust me when I tell you start making thousands of dollars a month with ClickFunnels is easily done, and you can do it 100%. Alright, so you just select this plan. You have 14 days completely for free trial, so you can test it out, and it's easy to cancel if you decide not to go ahead with just one click. Alright, so I'm not going to waste your time now by going all through these steps. So you can just follow the steps and set up your account. And after that, so you can pause it, the lesson now. And after that, we are going to the ClickFunnels membership area. Alright, now we are inside ClickFunnels membership area. I actually set up a brand new account so I can put myself into your shoes, guys, and so we can build this step by step together so you don't feel stuck and overwhelmed. So now you want to go to ClickFunnels and here funnels, and you want to go back to the website where you started your free trial, and then you basically start adding your free pre-built funnels that I've shared with you. You can add all of them, or they will help you, and all of them. So, or you can just pick and choose whichever you want, right? You just click on that funnel that you want, for example, sales funnel, and it will, then you will click add funnel, and it will be directed to your ClickFunnels account, right? Just like that, with click of a button. It's amazing, right? And then the next one, webinar funnel, the same thing. You just add funnel, and you can add all of these. Membership funnel, add funnel, and lead magnet funnel. And so you will get all these pre-built funnels within just a minute, under a minute, and it took me over months to build them. So this is how powerful ClickFunnels is. And then you will just edit those funnels accordingly to your needs. You will just change your offer, your name, right? Things just to make it applicable to your business, right? And we will go step by step over each funnel, how to actually do it. So stay tuned and watch other upcoming videos. And so in this lesson, just make sure that you add all the funnels that you want to your ClickFunnels account. And then now when I press refresh, our funnels should be already completed, and all of our funnels are inside, right? And then you can just basically edit any of them that you currently need, right? You just click lead magnet funnel, and it will open up the funnel, right? And then you can just edit page and do everything necessary to optimize it for your needs. But we will talk about it in another lessons, as I said. And now what you want to do is join our ClickFunnels group to get support whenever you need it. You may have some questions about some funnel, something is not working. ClickFunnels has also great support, but it's a powerful to have a like-minded people around, and so you can feel like in a community, right? So make sure that you also join our group, and you can join it by clicking that button, right? So yeah, and then the last step is the fourth step is subscribe to our YouTube family for a chance to win giveaways worth over $1,000, like online courses, right? So just click online courses worth over $1,000 and other cool things. So you just click subscribe, and it will take you to YouTube, and you will just subscribe with one click of a button as well. And it will help you also, like we are putting out there powerful step-by-step lessons on ClickFunnels, and just talking about business and just videos that will help you succeed as an entrepreneur. All right, so guys, thank you for jumping in on this lesson, and I will see you on the next one, where we will go each funnel that we just shared with you today, so we can set it up together. Also your payment processor like Stripe and everything that you need to just succeed, right, with ClickFunnels. So I will see you on the next one.